Good morning students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy morning video. So in this video we continue the same chapter, accounts of not-for-profit organization. In the previous class we discussed one example sum of comprehensive problem, illustration 17. In this video we continue the same. We explain one more example sum, that is illustration 18, page number 63. In this example sum, they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So receipt and payment account is given in the sum. From the receipt and payment account, first opening balance is given, cash in hand 9,000. Subscription, 2 years subscription is given, 2018 to 19, 12,500, 19 to 20, 400. It is a sum for the year 2019, March 2019. So you should take only the relevant year subscription, that is 2018 to 19, 12,500. It should be taken to the income side of income and expenditure account. Proceeds from entertainment 12,000, it is revenue item. Sundry receipts, it is also revenue item. So all these three items are revenue items. It should be taken to the income side of income and expenditure account, that is credit side of income and expenditure account. Take only the current year subscription 12,500. Then in the payment side point of view, furniture purchase is given 15,000. It is a capital item. It should be taken to the asset side of balance sheet. Stationery 2,400. It is a revenue item. It should be taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account, that is debit side. Investment is one of the asset, so it should be taken to the balance sheet asset side. Postage is revenue item, taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. So from the payment side point of view, only two items are revenue items, stationery and postage, taken to the debit side of income and expenditure account. Closing balance of cash in hand, excuse me, cash in hand, it should be taken to the asset side. Adjustment point of view, there are 450 members, each paying annual subscription of rupees 30. So in the club there are 450 members are there, each one paying 30 rupees. So the total subscription for the current year is nearly 13,500, but here we are receiving only 12,500. So 1,000 rupees subscription is outstanding. Even though outstanding subscription is not given directly, you can find out the outstanding subscription for the current year with the help of the members, and each member paying subscription, and we received subscription rupees 12,500. So current year there are 450 members, each paying 30 rupees. So the total subscription for current year is, you can multiply 450 into 30, it will comes to 13,500. 13,500, but we are received only 12,500 current year subscription. So difference between these amount is 1,000. That 1,000 rupees is considered to be outstanding subscription for the current year. And then stock of stationery 31st March 2018 300, 31st March 2019 the amount is 500. So it is opening stock of stationery 300, it is closing stock of stationery 500. Both the amounts should be taken to the income and the expenditure account. From the income side, expense side, first you can take the opening stock of stationery, to that add stationery purchased, then less closing stock of stationery, and this closing stock of stationery should also be taken to the asset side of balance sheet. Capital fund is also given in the sum, 1st April 2018, the amount is 9,300. So with this information they are asking to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. So let us see the solution. In the solution point of view, first you can write the club name in the books of Salem Recreation Club. Use both the side of your ruled accountancy notebook. Write the heading income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Make the necessary column. From the income side point of view, from the receipt side given in the sum, take only the revenue receipts. There are 3 revenue items are there. Subscription. By subscription, current year is 12,500. Add outstanding subscription. That is, from the total subscription, we received only 12,500. So 1,000 rupees is outstanding. You can add it. The total amount is 13,500. Then by proceeds from entertainment, 12,000. By sundry receipts, 500. These 3 items are revenue items. Already it is given in the receipt side. Then from the expenditure side, from the payment side of receipt and payment account, take only the revenue payments. Only 2 items are revenue payment, stationery and postage. So stationery point of view, first write the purchase amount 2,400 and add opening stock. It is given in the adjustment 300. You can add it 2,700. Less closing stock. It is also given in the adjustment 500. So while subtracting it, the net amount is 2,200. To postage, it is also given in the payment side in the receipt and payment account. So after writing all the information, that is revenue receipts and revenue payments, now you can balance the income and expenditure account. First you can add the debit total. The debit total will be 3,200. The credit total will be nearly 26,000. Add all these 3 amounts. So the highest amount is 26,000. Write the highest amount both the side, debit side, credit side. Write the highest total both the side, and from the highest total subtract the least total of debit amount, that is 3,200. That 3,200 will be separated from 26,000. The net amount is 22,800. It is surplus because excess of income over expenditure. So in the debit side you can write 2 surplus within bracket excess of income over expenditure. And then come to the balance sheet. Balance sheet point of view, first write the heading balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. From the receipt and payment account, take furniture value, that is 15,000, investment 12,500, subscription current year outstanding is 1,000. It is given in the adjustment. Stationery closing stock 500. It is also given in the adjustment. Cash in hand from the receipt and payment account, closing balance of cash is 3,500. And then liability side point of view, first you can take the capital fund 9,300. It is given in the adjustment. Add surplus 22,800. The total amount is 32,100. Then subscription receipt in advance 400. It is given in the receipt and payment account receipt side. Because of receipt side, 2 years subscription is given, current year and next year. So next year subscription will be received current year, means it is treated as advance subscription. That should be taken to the next year. So it should be shown in the liability side of balance sheet. Advance subscription received. And then after writing all the necessary items in liability and asset side of the balance sheet, now you can make the total. So while totaling the liability side, it will comes to 32,500. Asset side also, while total all the items, it will comes to 30,500. So balance sheet will be tallied 1. So likewise you can prepare the income and expense account and balance sheet from the receipt and payment account and some adjustments given. So whatever the comprehensive sum given, you can go through it thoroughly. You can find out the revenue receipts and revenue payments. Take to the income and expenditure account. Make what are the adjustment given in, you can make the adjustment and find out the surplus or deficit. Then you can prepare the balance sheet. Information given in the receipt and payment account and adjustment. You can take the asset and the liabilities, write it in the asset and liability side of the balance sheet, and you can make total. It will tally automatically. So likewise you can work out the sums easily. So with the help of the specimen, you can work out this type of comprehensive sum easily in the examination point of view. So go through it once again, illustration 18, and work out this sum also in your accounts ruled assignment notebook. And also exercise 18, sum number 18, you can work out yourself like the same procedure. So totally today you will have 4 sums, 2 example sum and 2 exercise sum. Work out in your assignment notebook, ruled accounts assignment notebook. Keep the notebook safely and send task complete message in the group. And also you can send a photocopy of these 4 sums to my personal number. Thank you.